Hey, it's Angelo with Angel's Edge again. Gonna do another unboxing of Gerber Swagger AO. Bought it about a year ago at the TSC Tractor Supply, and I haven't used it a lot. But I got it out. Here's the packaging. Came in. I got it out. It's like, I think I'm gonna look around, do an unboxing of it. Here's what it comes in. So it's on the small side. It says a clip folding knife, but I think, well, I haven't got it out. This is a picture of it. To me, it looks like a drop point. Maybe it's a clip point. I don't know. It has a 3.2 inch blade. Let's see, read what the package says. It has G10 handles, and they're not steel lined. They're straight up G10. So it's a very light knife. It's like, what did I measure that at? 2.75 ounces. So it's a really good summer carry. It'd probably disappear in your pocket. It has 7CR17 MOV steel. Yeah, got a little crazy when I opened it. Let's see. It has a titanium coated blade. So it's supposed to have extra corrosion resistance, but it's stainless, so it shouldn't really matter. It's a straighted edge. Has dual thumb studs. Oh, that's what the AO stands for. It has assisted opening, plunge lock, push button lock, which is kind of cool. I was playing with it. Pocket clip is just pocket clip, and it's only right hand only tip down lanyard hole. Okay, let's get it out of the package. Alright. Stuck in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out. It don't want to come out. It wants. There we go. Come on. There. Wow. That one fought me. It's like, I like being in my package. Don't take me out. Alright. So here's the knife itself. Of course, I had it opened up. Let's move these out of the way. There's the knife itself. Let me get. You can take a look at it. Let me get me a rag, wipe it. I had it open, put WD-40 on it, and so I will. Looking for my rag. Here we go. Wipe it off again. So anyways, check this out. This has a push button lock and it drops shut. That's kind of cool. And it's a assisted open. So I really didn't carry it because I didn't like it at first, but today I got it out and started playing with it, and it was oiled up some, and I always had trouble opening it, but I got a 511 that was really hard to open. And I found if you tuck this thing back to your swell your hand, and it opens really easy. But I like actually pushing this button and it just drops. That's kind of cool. All right, but like I said, I think I said before, there is no metal liners. It's all G10. But it seems sturdy. It is really a sturdy knife. Has like some designs here. Let's do a close-up of it. So you see that design there follows with the handle. You can see that. Let's take this side. There's the part number. It's a fairly large pocket clip. Has the lanyard hole, but I kind of like this drop, man. That's kind of nice. It's on Amazon for $34. I think I paid that also at Tractor Supply, but I was just at Tractor Supply this weekend. For some reason, I think they have. I know I recorded. They had 15% off their knives, so I don't know. I know I got this there before. A year ago, so I'm sure whatever, you probably get 15% off the $30 it is, so it might take it down to maybe 28, under the 30 mark. At least pay for the taxes, I guess it would. But yeah, I never carried this because I didn't really like the size. But you know, it's growing on me. Let's put it back down. So as I did some things I wish it were. I wish it was tip up, but it's not. It only has one way to go. It's tipped down. So that might have been one of the reasons I don't carry it, because I like carrying most of my knives tip up. But for summer carry, like, this wouldn't be a bad knife to slip into some shorts, and it wouldn't be heavy. Like it says, 2.7 ounces. I think this would be almost a perfect knife if this handle was a little bigger. Let's do some measurements on this. Swing this back here. Let's see. It is, let's see, the package says it's a 3.2 inch blade. So here's a ruler. So you got 1, 2, 3, 3.2. Overall length is about 7 1/4. The handles here, clippity clopping. That's a Amish going up the road. Hear it? Probably not. My wife hears them. There's the horse clippity clop. But anyway, so the handle's 4 inches long. See, that's the thing. I wish this was here's what I'd do. I'd make this 3.5 inch long blade and a 5 inch handle, and that would be like, I think, the perfect knife, because when you get this back here, that's what, it's alright, but I mean, I just wish if it was a little bigger. But of course, if it was a little bigger, they'll probably charge you $50. And that's the other thing. It has whatever 7CR17 MOV, which is kinda not the greatest steel for the $34 mark. That's why if you get it for, I think if you go to Tractor Supply and pick it up for the 15% off, then that's about where you want to be. Because I don't know, I actually haven't sharpened I don't think I've sharpened the 7CR17, but I might break out the sharpening kit. I may do another video of me breaking out the Lansky system and sharpen this puppy right here. So I might have to do that. See how it takes the edge. I think I have sharpened one that was 7CR13, but I think it was a Browning, one of the Brownings, and it seemed to take an edge pretty good. At first it was hard to open, but the more I practiced and I found the sweet spot, it's like you kind of tuck it back there, and now it's really not hard to open at all. It said the price, I think, is a little high. I think if I would price this, I'd say it should be $20 to $24. But it's I don't know how well their warranty is. I guess they say I have a limited lifetime warranty on this Gerber, so maybe pay a little bit for the warranty. If it does break, maybe you could send it back. They might send you a new one, so maybe the extra $5 is in the warranty. I don't know. I've never sent it back, but it's kind of like a franchise. A Gerber, they have somewhat of a standard, and this is not a bad knife. I originally bought it for the 30, so, but the thing is, now I buy more in other knives, and I just, the bottom line, if you like the knife and you think it's cool, spend the $34. Because you're the one. No one else is gonna care what you spend for it. If you want it and you have the money, buy it. Me personally, I'd give it a 3.2 stars, just because I have a lot of different knives, and I can't knock it too much because of the size. I don't like the size, but some people like the size. I didn't bring no other knives. I should have brought the Tenacious. I'm guessing this about the same size as a Tenacious. It's a very common everyday carry size with a just under 3-inch blade. Well, yeah, it actually has a 3-inch blade, 3.2. So that's a very common size for everyday carry. So a lot of people like this size. I just like a little bit larger. And the weight, you can't complain about the weight. Just like the weight's 2.7 ounces. So, but bottom line is, if you like this style knife, you like the size, it's really like, and it's breaking in. I don't know, I just sprayed a little oil down in there and it springs out. I do like the push button drop. That's kind of cool. It's like kind of in a way a fidgety knife there. It's something you fidget with because it's not hard to open. So let's see what I miss. See, I already measured it. All I got is 2 large knives, which really don't give it the size comparison. I should start bringing like a, wait, let's see. It's not a Sharpie, but here's an ink pen. Let's try this. Or it's not ink, it's like the wipe off marker. A lot of people have wipe off markers. So there's a kind of size comparison between, and that's almost better than measuring with a knife, is like a common tool. There's a wipe off marker. I don't have a Sharpie, but yeah, I'm trying to look for something around my desk that has like a common size. But here's the ruler again. So I just keep thinking I'm forgetting something, but oh well. So this was supposed to be a short video, but the more I played with this knife, I guess the more I'm starting to like. I think I might carry it some more. Alright, well, thanks again for watching. Remember, if you like videos like this, like Angelo's Edge on YouTube. Slide this down. Like Angelo's Edge on YouTube. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and go to the alarm bell and click on it, and there'll be more to come. I'll probably end up sharpening this one up again. Well, I never sharpened it, but I bet I'm probably gonna, that's gonna be another video sharpening that, and I'm sure I can get this on the edge. So anyways, when you're done watching this, there'll be the subscribe button be right there, and you can watch another video right on that finger. This finger, like, share, subscribe, and this finger, watch another one of my videos. Alright, have a good day. Bye.